That was lightning, wasn't it? It's something, man.
Mel's long-awaited mea culpa from his vanity over his mugshot, telling his kids the next morning while sipping some Buddha.
Holy shit. Oh shit. It's craziness.
Not take one of those hideous mugshots, because I know it'll be around.